Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations, your sacred space for spiritual growth and self-improvement. Today, we dive deep into the transformative journey of letting go and attracting your manifestations. Are you ready to unlock the power within you to manifest your desires and create a life of abundance? Prepare to embrace freedom, abundance, and the limitless potential that resides within you. In this enlightening video, we will explore the profound concept of releasing emotions and resistance that may be holding you back. We'll navigate through the turbulent waters of anxiety, fear, uncertainty, jealousy, and envy, offering you practical strategies to rise above these limiting emotions and step into a realm of empowerment. At the core of this journey lies the power of releasing emotions and resistance. You see, our emotions are like energetic magnets, constantly shaping our reality and influencing what we attract into our lives. By consciously acknowledging and releasing emotions that no longer serve us, we create space for the manifestations we truly desire. Letting go is an art, a sacred dance that frees us from the shackles of anxiety, fear, uncertainty, jealousy, and envy. These emotions, though natural and human, can act as barriers, preventing us from aligning with the abundant flow of the universe. That's why it's vital to address and transform these emotions, allowing us to harness their energy and redirect it towards manifesting our dreams. Anxiety, with its tight grip, often stems from the fear of the unknown and the uncertain outcomes that lie ahead. By consciously releasing anxiety and embracing trust in the process, we open ourselves to the infinite possibilities that await us. Fear, our ever-loyal companion, can become a roadblock on our manifestation journey. However, when we acknowledge our fears, lean into them, and find the courage to face them head-on, we unlock the immense potential that lies beyond our comfort zones. Uncertainty, in these ever-changing times, can leave us feeling adrift, yearning for stability. But it is precisely within uncertainty that we have the opportunity to cultivate resilience and adaptability, allowing us to manifest our desires with grace and fluidity. Jealousy and envy, though often seen as negative emotions, provide valuable insights into our own desires and aspirations. By acknowledging these emotions and transforming them into inspiration and celebration, we shift our focus from lack to abundance, opening the floodgates of manifestations in our lives. Releasing these emotions and resistance is not about denying or suppressing them, but rather acknowledging their presence, understanding their lessons, and consciously choosing to let them go. It is through this act of liberation that we pave the way for new opportunities, experiences, and blessings to enter our lives. So, as we venture forth on this enlightening journey, remember the importance of releasing emotions and resistance. Embrace the power within you to address anxiety, fear, uncertainty, jealousy, and envy. Let them serve as catalysts for growth and transformation, propelling you towards the manifestations that align with your highest good. Anxiety and fear, as powerful and primal emotions, can indeed hinder our manifestation journey if left unaddressed. They have the potential to create energetic blocks, preventing the free flow of abundance into our lives. But fear not, for within these challenges lie transformative opportunities to rise above and manifest our desires. Anxiety, often stemming from the fear of the unknown or perceived threats, can cloud our minds and distort our perception of reality. This state of heightened unease can disrupt our energetic alignment, making it challenging to attract and manifest our desires. However, by implementing practical strategies, we can conquer anxiety and regain our manifesting power. Begin by becoming aware of your anxiety triggers. Take note of the thoughts, situations, or patterns that induce anxiety. By consciously recognizing these triggers, you can catch yourself in the midst of anxiety and shift your focus to the present moment. Deep, intentional breathing exercises and regular meditation can calm the nervous system and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Practice breathing deeply into your belly and exhaling slowly, releasing tension with each breath. Meditation helps quiet the mind, allowing you to detach from anxious thoughts and connect with your inner wisdom. Affirmations are powerful tools to rewire your subconscious mind and shift your focus towards positive outcomes. Create empowering statements that counteract anxiety and reinforce your ability to manifest your desires. Repeat these affirmations daily, infusing them with intention and belief. You will find daily affirmations on the Community tab. Engage in visualization exercises, where you vividly imagine yourself living your desired reality. Feel the emotions and sensations associated with achieving your manifestations. Additionally, develop personal rituals that align with your manifestations, such as creating vision boards or writing affirmations in a manifestation journal. Personal stories and examples can provide inspiration and guidance on conquering anxiety and fear. If you like, share your story in the comments below. Let me share a story from my own journey. I once experienced paralyzing anxiety when it came to pursuing my dreams of starting a business. Fear of failure, financial insecurity, and the unknown kept me stuck in a cycle of doubt. However, through self-reflection and inner work, I realized that anxiety was holding me back from manifesting my true potential. I began implementing strategies to overcome anxiety, such as daily meditation, affirmations, and visualization exercises. Slowly but surely, I shifted my mindset from fear to trust. I reminded myself that I had the power to create my own reality, and that failure was simply a stepping stone towards growth. As I released anxiety and stepped into a place of empowerment, I witnessed my manifestations unfolding before me. Opportunities flowed effortlessly, and my business began to thrive. Conquering anxiety not only transformed my manifesting abilities, but also enriched my overall well-being. Always remember that anxiety and fear are temporary states that can be overcome. Embrace these practical strategies, cultivate self-awareness, and draw strength from personal stories of triumph. As you conquer anxiety and fear, you pave the way for the manifestation of your deepest desires. If you want to learn more about secret manifestation techniques, spiritual growth, or just want to get inspired, please like this video and comment below. I subscribed. I will do my best to reply to each comment. Uncertainty, with its ability to evoke feelings of doubt and unease, can indeed hold back our manifestations. It is a natural human response to crave stability and predictability, but it is within the realm of uncertainty that the true magic of manifestation unfolds. Let's delve into the transformative insights of embracing uncertainty and moving forward with unwavering confidence. Uncertainty can act as a formidable barrier, preventing us from fully aligning with the abundant flow of the universe. It can make us doubt our abilities, question the feasibility of our desires, and create energetic resistance. However, it is crucial to understand that uncertainty is an integral part of the manifestation process, a fertile ground for growth and expansion. Embracing uncertainty begins with a shift in perspective. Rather than perceiving it as a hindrance, view uncertainty as a playground of infinite possibilities. See it as an invitation to surrender to the cosmic flow, to trust in the divine timing of your manifestations. Here are valuable insights to help you navigate uncertainty and move forward with confidence. Cultivate mindfulness. Ground yourself in the present moment. Uncertainty often arises from dwelling on the past or anxiously projecting into the future. By practicing mindfulness, you can anchor yourself in the now, finding solace and clarity amidst the chaos. Release attachment to outcomes. While setting intentions and visualizing your desires are crucial, it is equally important to detach from specific outcomes. Embrace the notion that the universe may have an even grander plan in store for you. Surrendering control allows for miracles to unfold beyond what you could have imagined. Trust in divine timing. Have faith that everything is unfolding exactly as it should, even if it doesn't align with your desired timeline. Trust that the universe knows the perfect timing for your manifestations to manifest. Embrace the notion that the delays and detours are guiding you towards greater alignment and growth. Practice self-compassion. Be kind and gentle with yourself during times of uncertainty. Understand that it is normal to feel unsure or vulnerable. Embrace self-care practices. Surround yourself with supportive people and engage in activities that nourish your soul. Self-compassion strengthens your resilience and helps you move forward with confidence. Now, let's tap into the power of surrender and trust in the manifestation process. Surrendering does not mean giving up or being passive. Rather, it is an act of releasing control and allowing the universe to co-create with you. Trust that your desires are being heard and that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring them into fruition. By surrendering, you open yourself up to divine guidance and unexpected synchronicities. You become a vessel through which manifestations effortlessly flow. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor, aligning circumstances and resources to support your desires. Embrace uncertainty as a catalyst for growth, expansion, and the manifestation of your dreams. Let go of the need for absolute certainty and step into the flow of the unknown with confidence. Surrender to the higher wisdom that orchestrates the dance of manifestation, and trust that your desires are being lovingly woven into the fabric of your reality. With unwavering faith and the willingness to embrace uncertainty, you will witness the miracles unfold before your very eyes. Jealousy and envy cast a dark shadow on our path to abundance. When we allow these emotions to consume us, we inadvertently create a barrier between ourselves and the manifestations we desire. Jealousy and envy breed scarcity and hinder our ability to attract what we truly seek. It is essential to recognize the detrimental impact they have on our well-being and the manifestation process. Cultivate self-awareness. Begin by acknowledging and accepting your feelings of jealousy and envy without judgment. Self-awareness is the first step towards liberation. Shift to an abundance mindset. Practice gratitude daily by focusing on the blessings and abundance already present in your life. This shifts your perspective from lack to abundance, attracting more positive experiences. Embrace self-love and self-acceptance. Recognize your own worth and unique journey. When we genuinely love and accept ourselves, we diminish the need for comparison and envy. Foster empathy and compassion. Seek to understand the challenges and triumphs of others. Cultivate empathy and compassion, recognizing that we are all interconnected. Celebrating others' success becomes a natural extension of our own growth. Celebrating the success of others is a transformative practice that propels our own manifestation journey forward. It opens us up to the abundant flow of the universe and enhances our own vibrational frequency. Here are practical ways to embrace this practice. Embrace the abundance mentality. Recognize that success and abundance are not limited resources. Celebrating others' achievements affirms your belief in the infinite possibilities available to you. Offer genuine support and congratulations. Reach out to others with sincere congratulations and kind words. Celebrate their accomplishments as if they were your own, fostering a sense of connection and unity. Visualize and affirm. Incorporate visualization and affirmations into your daily routine. Envision yourself in a state of celebration, basking in the joy of others' achievements. Affirm that their success is a sign of the abundant universe, and by celebrating them, you align yourself with that same abundance. To manifest your desires effectively, let us delve into proven strategies that align your energy with the universe's abundant flow. Clarify your intentions. Clearly define your desires with unwavering clarity and specificity. The more precise and focused your intentions, the easier it becomes for the universe to respond and manifest them into reality. Visualize with emotion. Engage in regular visualization exercises, vividly imagining yourself already in possession of your desires. Infuse these visualizations with deep emotion, allowing yourself to feel the joy, gratitude, and fulfillment associated with your manifested desires. Take inspired action. Manifestation requires inspired action. Trust your intuition and take aligned steps towards your desires. By actively engaging in the journey, you create opportunities for the universe to support and guide you towards your manifestations. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a daily gratitude practice, acknowledging and appreciating the blessings already present in your life. Gratitude raises your vibrational frequency, attracting more abundance and aligning you with the energy of manifestation. Faith is the invisible thread that connects you to the universe's infinite potential. It is an unwavering belief in the power within you and the supportive nature of the universe. When you have faith, you align yourself with the flow of abundance and open yourself to limitless possibilities. To nurture and strengthen your faith, consider the following steps. Release limiting beliefs. Identify and release any limiting beliefs that undermine your faith in your ability in the universe. Replace them with positive, empowering beliefs that support your manifestation journey. Affirmations and mantras. Repeat affirmations and mantras that reinforce your faith in yourself and the universe. Affirm your ability to manifest your desires effortlessly, and trust that the universe is always working in your favor. Celebrate past manifestations. Reflect upon and celebrate past manifestations, no matter how small they may seem. Recognize that these are evidence of your power to create and affirm your faith in your ability to manifest even greater desires. Surrender and trust. Surrender the need to control every aspect of the manifestation process. Trust that the universe has a perfect plan for you and will deliver your desires in divine timing. Detach from the outcome and have faith that what is meant for you will come to fruition. As you embark on your manifestation journey, remember that effective strategies, coupled with unwavering faith, can unlock the door to a world of limitless possibilities. Embrace the power within you to manifest your desires and trust in the benevolent universe that supports your every step. Develop unshakable faith, knowing that you are a co-creator of your reality. Let your belief be your guiding light, illuminating the path towards the manifestation of your deepest desires. Trust and watch as the magic unfolds. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are on their own manifestation journey. Together, let us create a ripple effect of positivity and abundance. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on spiritual growth and self-improvement. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.